Alright guys, you know what time it is. You know that I be ordering some stuff and I always share it with you guys. So first of all, I did not just buy this. This is in a previous video that I already posted. So if you want to check that out, it's in a playlist somewhere of unboxing. Anyways, we're going to use this knife that my husband bought a long time ago so that we can open my package. Alright, so I'm going to try to do this. I'm just so excited. Everyone has been seeing these. Everyone and their mama has been seeing these on TikTok. Uh-oh, I dropped some. Have you guys seen these online? Let me know. So, okay, so over the last year or so, you know, when you start getting older and you can't lose the weight as fast as you were able to a couple years ago, yeah, that's where I'm at. So I'm not trying to get like skinny, but I'm trying to slow down on my calories through coffee. Okay, I have an addiction to coffee, and yeah, so anyways, I ended up getting a lot of different flavors. I'm gonna show you guys one by one what I got. I got the caramel one. Oh no, I busted this one, I think. I hope it goes back to normal. And then, okay, I'll show you guys that one later. Then I got this hibiscus passion fruit. I like flavored Red Bulls, you know, Dutch Bros. That's my weakness. And any local shops that have Red Bulls, like with flavor, I'm there. So I usually get passion fruit mango, and this one is hibiscus passion fruit. So we're just gonna give it a try. And then I also got this white chocolate mocha, because I also always just get white chocolate mocha. Yeah. And then I got the caramel macchiato. So 1, 2, 3. I don't know why this one is smaller. It's a syrup. I don't know what the difference is, but I guess we're gonna find out. You see that? And last but not least, the salted caramel. So you see the big old dent, kind of like how my car was. Anyways, I'm excited for these because I have seen these all over TikTok, all over Instagram. There's this girl, what's her name? Lose with Natalie. I don't know what her name is, but she posted all these and she made those coffees look so good. I don't know if I'm gonna make coffee videos, you guys, but stay tuned. We will see. I will let you guys know. But it says you can drizzle it. This is kind of like, you know, the drizzle that you put everywhere. You can put it on ice cream, lattes, cakes, milkshakes. I don't know, but I will just be using this for coffee. I'm excited. Have you guys tried these? Have you guys tried any of these? If you have, let me know. I want to know. And be honest.